We ain't had to do all that, baby.
Real.
All we
They
did was
had a
set the
kit
two.
at Walmart then but $15. Mackenzie, you just want to get the kit? No, I want to do it myself.
Yeah, that's good. That's great, baby. Be like that. Be unique.
So that's what you're gonna get.
Yeah. Sure.
You sure? So you're gonna put everything else back and just take the kit.
I want to like DIY it by myself. So
That is like this. On the opposite side. Your hands on this, you know, sticky. Yeah, and you gotta be protected. You don't want nothing covering that hole. Because it's what the baking soda, all this stuff gonna go with it.
DIY.
It's still the same. It's still doing it yourself.
But like I want to like do all the other things by myself. Like make it by myself.
So you're not getting the kit.
No.
Still another piece of yeah. Newspaper. That piece you got by.
We divided a 2-digit number by like a 3-digit number or a 4-digit number.
That's
So
good,
tell
that
me.
fan right there.
So
Because
tell me.
this got the dry.
So, like what?
Like, no light, wet, nothing meant.
I have
Tell
it
me.
in my math book.
No, you should have it in your mouth brain. What about the brain that you have?
Can't do it in my brain.
You can remember some of the problems you tried to solve, correct?
Yes.
2-digit, right? 3-digit, right? Come on, give me some. Just throw me some out there.
My name is Tina Turner. The best is my most popular song. I am 82 years old. I have 2 sisters. I was born November 26, 1939. I was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Soon I'll be named the Queen of Rock and Roll.
53. I can't remember the other number.
Why you can't? You
I
can't
have it in my math book.
You can't throw a number out there?
Man,
Oh, well, shut up.
I ain't saying
I
like
would
you
have loved
went
doing that
here.
with my dog. Well, not Kenzie. I would have just made
And then
Kenzie.
we need
I would have
to
just.
write me a speech.
Oh, what? Right? We.
Hi, my name is Claudette Carlton. I was born September 5th, 1939 in Montgomery, Alabama. I died March 2nd, 1950 in a heart attack in New York City. I am famous for not refusing to give up my seat to a white woman on a crowded segregated bus. 2 interesting facts about me is that I was raised in a poor black neighborhood and I was a delegate student who got straight.
No, now you ain't finna be working my wire now. You ain't finna be doing that.
Woo.
I'm here to save you, babe. I got you. I know I've been at
So
work
you
all day.
already know this already too much for your wife.
You can make at home.
You know all she do is cook, talk on the phone, drive to go get us some food. You know what I'm saying?
You're lying.
Well, you do talk on the phone.
Hi, my name is Lisa Closer. My year 1979.
Okay, doom bucket on the phone, don't it? She be running that doom bucket. Shut that force. Hey, shut that door. That was the old folks said. Shut the front door.
So do need to shit down.
That front door wide open.
This is so crazy.
You know what I'm saying? Baby, well, all we had to do was the damn
Boy, shut up.
to 20-ounce bottle. You remember?
Yeah.
And they don't even teach you what to
All I'm saying is, this probably your girl over here doing. I'm telling you what the man sent me in the email.
Yeah,
He
you-
said he wants to see how the chemicals react with one another. He didn't necessarily say it had to be a volcano. This your girl got to be all extra.
So she
popular.
so you the only one doing the extra.
I'm sure.
Well, Grandma and Grandma said it.
Grand. Well, why she ain't over here doing it?
She got business to do.
Your mama do too.
Just got to talk about me. All she do is on the phone. I swear to God, he be doing the same thing.
On here. So
Wait.
they know you real good. Yeah.
Oh my God.
I shouldn't even saying that. I shouldn't even saying that. I ain't got something to say in
You
that.
sure should have. Now it's first you grab your butt.
Hey, y'all see the real T. White did that?
First you grab your butt.
Yeah. I tell him. You know what I tell him.
What you tell him?
Nobody like you.
Nobody like you, baby. Talk to him. Ain't nobody like Poppy.
Here, take this around here. That's a cute little volcano.
See, you should have had me rate the volcano.
No.
Oh, please.
I would have had that sucker sitting up here vibrating and doing all
And
type
see, you
of
don't even
eruptions.
Baby, you don't even need it. Said let that dry. Once that dry, you're gonna get your ceramic paint. Oh, well, here,
Keep
you
this
can
turned
watch.
around.
I did.
Hey, why don't you come put your light, put it on your light so you ain't holding it?
Oh, it's like this.
Oh,
You want to do it like that?
yeah, I can. I just didn't feel like doing all of that.
It's just right here, baby. You gotta do a lot of stuff. You don't need the light. I don't do it. Let me see your forehead. It hurt.
We already did that.
The ice didn't do nothing. It done. Yeah, it did, cuz. That's why they did like it probably would have been. It would have been huge.
And a layer. Oh, we want you to add a layer of newspaper with the glue. This gonna be a last layer, which is like you got the regiments or something.
Hey,
That's
look,
good.
that's why you married me.
Oh, Lord.
Cause I keep this thing gangster.
Mackenzie, how much longer do I have to sit through the project?
Kenzie, just tell your mama what's really going on. Tell her you the real Dutch master.
Because I don't even know what that is.
Alright, go look it up on your tablet.
I can't get my tablet right now.
Oh. Well, I guess you'll
Mackenzie,
look,
sometimes you just have to ignore stuff like that.
guess you'll look it up
This girl
tomorrow.
is really trying to do her project.
That's good. I'm
It's
helping her
because
out.
it's both of us. We're a distraction.
No, it's not. She's doing good.
Okay, I did it.
See?
Okay, so you have to take it and wrap it around, but you don't want it covering your hole. You want me to help you?
If you start on one end and wrap it around, you have to, be worried about the glue messing up.
Want me to get extra tape?
Nope. This all you needed for this one. Oh, no. Okay, so what is your science project? Like, what are you doing?
It's a volcano and
It's a volcanic
a chemical explosion.
Okay.
Let me wait for 2 minutes.
She thinks she gonna go up and down. Shaking her tail feather.
Ain't nobody trying to shake nothing.
Your mama.
Haley, don't
This
listen
my
to
baby
that
right here.
nonsense.
This my baby. Hey, my baby for real.
Mark, that's
No,
all
you
you do
always
is
bully
talk
her.
crap.
Who?
He bullied
You
everybody
always
in
bully
here.
people.
No, I don't bully. Hey, do I bully
You know he was probably, that's all he probably did.
No, y'all don't even know what's the definition of bullying.
You!
You a hater.
You hate her.
God.
You! Prime example.
Hey,
Tell me something, what is the definition?
Don't you feel the energy running between our ears right
Go
now?
look it up, Mackenzie. I better say M-A-R-K.
You cap that, bro. Your mama don't need. That's why you look like glueless.
Full of glue, but glueless. Stop talking to me. Stop talking to me.
Full of glue, but glueless.
Don't call my husband no pig.
Talk to him, baby. You better tell her something. 'Cause you can't
Look
find.
at him.
Hey, babe, I just want some chicken. For the grill.
That's it.
I want some chicken and
I thought he
I wish
So when
I
are you going to grill, baby?
Saturday. Cause Friday's gonna storm. But I want to marinate it tomorrow though.
didn't say start
I've been
Okay, so
looking at
get
a
it tomorrow.
different. I've been looking at something else on
Say
Google.
start painting.
Man, I'll keep this on there. Hold on, I'll stop.
I was just about to bring it closer.
You ain't got to.
What will I do?
It's your husband.
Nobody like you.
He got all this stuff out the mud.
What you got out the mud, Mark? That's
All
what I
this
be
stuff.
talking about.
All
Don't
this
nobody
stuff.
even be knowing what you. Okay, and when is it due?
Tomorrow.
Tell us what it is you're doing.
A volcano.
No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about at this point.
Oh, I'm painting the volcano. Can you help me? Mercy, mommy tomorrow she's like doing like how to clean metal, I think, or rust.
Really? Yes.
Oh, yeah, down here.
And it's enough paint on there, so you shouldn't need no more. I think that's enough. Did you have to paint the box too?
Yeah. To make it look realistic. Even though it already is.
Love you too.
Bye, Poppy. I feel like Kate walked into me.
Let's paint the bottom. Well, let's get some from the bottom.
I think that should be enough.
Let me get my spoon and stir it around.
Mackenzie, you're taking your project to school. So did it explode?